Hello, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. I got Skoda here. I believe is 2002. I think 2012. I'm not sure. It's Skoda Yeti 2012. I think the engine is 1.2 petrol, and the customer complaint is the heater. So I start the engine. So if I go to try to put the heater on number 1, it doesn't work. Number 2, it doesn't work. 3, it doesn't work. The only thing works is number 4. So 1, 2, 3 doesn't work, and number 4 works. So I'm going to try to plug my OBD scanner and then try to scan the car and see how it goes. So this is my hotel interface, and the OBD scanner is just right under here. If I can get it, yeah, just right here. You see my scanner already, my interface already black. I just put my scanner here, and then this is my hotel. This is hotel Ultra Elite, very good diagnostic machine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect this to the car and we see what's going on. So let me just open this and then I can show you guys. So as you can see, I just switch off the ignition and switch on the ignition, and as you can see, it's already find the car. So we press car, and this guy is a Skoda. So accept. Okay. So what I'm going to do, that's the chassis number. Press OK. This is the vehicle. Yeah, as I said, it's 2012. So let's see what's going on this car. So fault code. Yeah, this machine is so good. It's so fast. I'm very happy with this machine. As I said, this is Hotel Ultra Elite. As you can see, we got 2 faults here. Let me go to the list. Gateway, we got like open cycled somewhere. It's something to do with the battery. This is no other problem. And then I got another fault on the radio module, which is antenna and the radio open secret. Anyway, we don't have any fault here. Let me see if I can go to control unit, and if I go to electrical center to see if I can get any data here. I go to live data. Let's go to advanced measure data. So I don't think so I can see any data regarding heater. No, it looks like this heater, it doesn't have separate module. I would believe so. That's why I don't get anything. Let me just search for fan. Yeah, search for heater maybe. Run win the screen. Yeah, I can see all the seat heater, washer fluid. No, that's no. So anyway, what I'm gonna do as an experience I got, this is something on with the, I think it's something on with the fan blower heater. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my scanner because I can't see any fault on the module, so that's switch off. I'm going to switch off the ignition, and then let me go get my torch. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I think the fan blower is just under here, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Okay, let me just try to put my, yeah, thing. Let me see, because you can see, yeah. So it's got two cover here. It's got like cover, two screw here, just anti-clag, and yeah, it's got like two, like this, and then you can take this cover up, and once we take this one off, you can see this is actual fan heater, and this is a resistor. So it's got connection, just push to the side and pull like this, and it's got one click here as well, click, and then I believe it's gonna be, you see, it's gonna be to the left, and bam, pull out. Yeah, this is the resistor. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna test this resistor to see if everything is okay. So let me just do my phone somewhere. Yeah. So this is the resistor we got here. I got my multimeter, so hover on my multimeter, just check. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, so it's like 4 cable. I believe one of them, one is live, one is ground, one is data, and one is coming from the module. The only thing I'm interested is that resistor. So yeah, you can see this one, I don't get any reading. It looks like this one, it does like fuse, it just got off. So what I'm going to do, I would believe so this is faulty. Let me just order another one, and then I will update you guys. Alright guys, I just ordered new resistor. This is the Volta. If you want to see the part number, this is a part number, very good make. So just take it off. That's a new resistor. So let me just open it. Yeah, this is the one, exactly same, and just want to try to compare the new resistor and make sure we got we just did good what you call diagnostic to order that. As you can see, if I check from here to here, let me you see I don't get any beep, nothing. As I said, this is like fuse. It looks like it's been short, but let's have a look at that one. This is a new one. You see? Can you hear the beep? Yeah. Yeah, this is completely different. You see, this new resistor is got continuity, and this one is like short and no continuity. So definitely we got faulty resistor. I'm going to put this resistor back and then try to see how it goes. Okay, back to the car. Let me just do my phone again to make sure you can see everything. Okay, this is new resistor. So what I'm going to do, just push in, yeah, just line it up, and then just to the right. See, yeah, it's completely in now. So I'm gonna put this one back, and then I'm sure it's gonna be all right. But before I put the cover back, I'm gonna just try to see everything okay. So as you can see, the ignition, I put the ignition on. The ignition is on, and that's number one. Can you hear the fan? That's number one. 1, 2. This is number 3. That's one. This is off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's good. That works perfect. So what I'm going to do, switch off the ignition, go back to the passenger side. So as you can see, I got this cover. You need to pull it back nicely. Let's try to line it up. Yeah, that's how it fits. And so go this. I'm just going to put this one back to line it up. Last one is up. Once I put this one back to make sure everything is good here, I pull this one back as well. And after that, you just try to pull those back like this. Like this. Some people they open the complete glove box, but I don't think so either. You just can pull this cover back without opening glove box. That's how nicely fit. that's another video, guys. Done. Everything sorted. We got heater. Everything works. Thank you very much for watching. I hope there is some information for someone, and thanks for watching.